adventure! Howdy, folks! Today we're down on the farm. We're with Miss Kendal, and we're gonna learn some fun things about literacy. What are we gonna learn today, Miss Kendal?
Well, today, Simon, we're learning all about alliteration.
Whoa, that's a big word. What does it mean?
It is a big word. So alliteration is when words have the same letter or sound and they're really close by in a phrase or sentence.
Oh, like slippery snail?
Slippery
or
snail?
Wily weasel?
Those are perfect examples of alliteration. So alliteration is used in storytelling and poetry and even in advertising sometimes, Simon, because it
Ooh.
really catches the reader's ear.
Wow!
Yeah, so I thought today we could explore the farm and see if we can come up with some alliteration on some things that we see around.
Oh, that'd be great! Let's do it! Well, hey, Cowgirl Kendal.
Well, hey there, Simon. You just gave everybody a great example of alliteration.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, so even if the words don't start with the same letter, as long as they have the same sound, like cowboy, which starts with a C, and Kendal, which starts with a K, it's still an example of alliteration.
Oh, wow!
Pretty good to know. Alliteration really helps us remember things, doesn't it, Simon?
It does! I can remember Cowgirl Kendal.
That's right. Today, we're in the barn.
Oh! It's a big barn!
It's a big barn. What are some other words that we can use that are examples of alliteration with our barn?
It's a beautiful barn!
Beautiful barn. Big and beautiful. What about one more?
Well, it could be the best barn!
It's the best, big, beautiful barn. Great job, Simon.
Ha! Thanks! Wow, Miss Kendal! This place is great!
Yeah, we're inside the barn now, Simon. Let's explore a little bit and see what we can find.
Okay.
Over here, we have milk.
Oh, I like milk!
Yeah, it's good for our teeth and our bones, right, Simon?
Yeah!
Lots of calcium. So what are some alliterative words that we can think of that go along with milk?
Marvelous milk!
That's a good one.
Magnificent milk!
That's awesome, Simon. You came up with 2 words. Do you think you could come up with another one?
How about mighty? Mighty milk!
Mighty milk, because it helps keep us nice and strong. right,
Yeah!
Simon? And there's also a 4th one.
What?
It's the sound that the animal who gives us milk makes.
The cat goes, moo!
Moo!
Moo moo milk!
Those are all awesome alliterative words that go along with milk.
Yeah!
Let's look around the barn a little bit more and see what we can find, Simon.
Okay.
Simon,
Yeah.
what came first, the chicken or the egg?
Oh, that's a question for the ages. Let's do chicken first.
All right, so we've got our chicken friend here. Can we come up with some alliterative words that go with our chicken?
Yeah. Clucky?
Clucky.
No, that's not the case. Gotta be a let's see. Challenging chicken?
Challenging chicken. What about cheeky chickens?
Chicken chicken. What about, cherished?
Cherished.
Yeah, you're a cherished chicken.
Aw, she sure is. And we love her a lot because look what she gave us, Simon.
She gave us an egg.
Eggs.
Yeah.
And so we're looking at our E sound there for our words. What do we think?
Excellent eggs.
Excellent
Ah.
or excellent.
How about energetic?
Energetic, that's good because they give you energy.
Yeah.
Well, let's go someplace else and see what we can find.
Okay.
All right, Simon, we're going to get a little dirty in the dirt because now we're looking at greens.
Ooh, greens. Like gorgeous greens? Or gargantuan greens. That's really big.
It is really big.
Yeah. Oh, and a perfect one would be growing. Growing greens.
Just like we're doing on the farm. Those are great, Simon.
Thank you.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
Okay, Simon, now we're here at the peach trees.
Oh,
Can we think of some words that we can use to go with peach?
yeah, that is a plump, perfect peach.
A plump, perfect peach? Simon,
Yeah.
you did 3 in a row.
Oh, wait, I got one. It is a perfect plump peach picked by a perfect peach picker.
Simon, you just did a tongue twister.
Oh!
And tongue twisters are another wonderful example of alliteration.
Oh, that's so fun!
Great job, Simon. All right, are you ready for our very last trip?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's get going. All right, Simon, we're here at the tractor.
Yeah!
What awesome alliterative words can you come up with to go with tractor?
Oh, let's see. It's a trustworthy tractor.
Yeah.
It's tremendous tractor. Triumphant, trendy, tidy, transparent, and maybe not transparent, but all around the most terrific tractor you'll ever see.
Simon, I think you've got the hang of alliteration.
Thanks, Miss Kendall. Wow, Miss Kendall, I really love learning all about alliteration with you today.
I'm so glad, Simon. I had a really good time exploring the farm with you, and you did a great job coming up with those words.
Thanks. I like coming up with wonderful words because it's awesome alliteration.
That's exactly right. Friends, we hope you had a great time exploring the farm with Simon and I today. Simon and I want you to go around your home and see if you can come up with some of these alliterative words that go with things that surround you.
Yeah, let's look around and see what words we can come up with.
Absolutely. Guys, thanks so much for joining us, and Simon and I will see you in the next video.
Bye, guys!